My hair is just as tired and dry as me, okay? So I'm about to nourish my body and my skin, and I'm gonna get on here and do this awesome deep conditioning treatment from a very popular brand and deep conditioner that's been sitting at your local Target. Stay tuned. So ladies, after a little bit of a face beat and me washing my hair, I'm ready to review this Mielle product. So the name of it is called Mielle Rx. So it's supposed to be like for them clinical prescribed dry heads out here. So it's Hawaiian ginger moisturizing overnight conditioner, moisturizing overnight deep conditioner, overnight deep conditioner. So if you're new to the natural hair community and you don't know that moisturizing your hair longer than, let's say, for 5 to 15 minutes has better results, then honey, don't be played by a moisturizer that says, oh, this is an overnight moisturizer, so that you could wake up the next morning and be like, oh my gosh, this was the best moisturizer I've ever used. But have you ever tried to use your other moisturizer overnight? So I'm not going to give this an extra leg because it says to use it overnight and it's going to be better than my other products or whatever. No, I'm going to use it as is. I'm going to use it as long as I use any other moisturizer. Ladies, so my hair is just washed. So you're like, Rachel, your hair is already moisturized. No, but when it dries. So I am literally just going to take down pieces. Ooh, as you can see, like you can tell that my hair is trying to already get unruly because I can't even really separate it like that. Hold on. I'm scared to be honest. Guys, see that mole right there? It's all me. In case you found me, something happened and you gotta say, let me see your right armpit. Then you know that it was me. There we go. So my hair is nice and sectioned off in the Bizac. And we're gonna just go for it right here. I'm gonna be looking over just a little bit because my camera's been acting a little funny and I don't want it to stop recording while I'm still talking, okay? So this is the consistency. It's nice, you know? It feels good. It smells good. Luckily, it doesn't smell like what the name says because when I thought ginger, I'm like, ginger is for throats, okay? It's for bubbled guts. I've never heard of ginger being for hair, but as I rub this through, yes, okay. Let's see. Okay, I feel the moisture. I feel that the moisture may possibly be going deep, okay? I feel the conditioning. The conditioning is deep, as in deep conditioning. So the slip is beautiful, okay? Now, one thing I do worry about when it comes to deep conditioners that have slip is that sometimes it's so watery, it's so loose that when you get in that shower and you rinse this deep conditioner out, that's it. Like it was just a moment, okay? A moment, okay? So immediately I do feel the benefits. Let me see what it's doing to my curls. You guys see my heat damage? Did you know somebody commented on one of my YouTube videos? This was my first wash and go video that I put online. It's like my most successful video. And somebody went on there after years of it being up and was like, oh, if y'all would have seen her hair right now, y'all would be so upset because she definitely ain't no 4B. So brief history of the whole 4B argument. When I uploaded that video on my thumbnail, I put that my hair was a 4B. When I tell you the naturalistas came with it, okay? They were like, now you know you ain't no 4B. Then there was like an argument about porosity and silkiness and how it doesn't have anything to do with the actual curl pattern itself, which I agree with. But anywho, they had problems with it. It was like the majority of people who were commenting were like, she's not a 4B. But then they were arguing like, you're a 4A. Now I can see if I was like a 3C, 3B, saying that I was a 4B, but to have it slightly off and to get that much flack for it, I was like, okay, this is just absolutely ridiculous. I will absolutely never specify the letter behind the number when I'm talking about my hair type, okay? To make you feel better, okay? But yeah, she was like, oh, if y'all saw her hair right now, y'all be so mad. But I mean, she wasn't necessarily trying to come for me, because she was just like, well, this just kind of goes to show how hair changes as it grows or whatever. But what she didn't know is that your girl, Miss Rachel Adina, has some serious heat damage. And all of my curls are much looser. But if I can show you guys like what, ouch, man. If I can show you guys what my hair looked like fresh natural when it's completely dry, you would be completely stunned. Like, my hair does have, I guess, a very beneficial porosity, because it soaks up a good product very well, and it will have you thinking that my hair looks silkier or that it's a looser pattern than what it really is. But when it dries without product completely, which is how they tell you to test your curl type, it winds up pretty tight. So let's talk. That whole little bit goes a long way is absolutely ridiculous, especially for curly hair. It makes no sense, especially for curly hair that needs to be deep conditioned. That little bit goes a long way, don't make no type of sense at all. But I don't really judge a deep conditioner based off of how it feels while it's in my hair. It's how it feels after I rinse it out. That's another thing. If it feels good while it's in your hair, it gives you good slip. That's what a detangling conditioner does anyway, for about $2 or $3. But if you want a product to really help your curls define, to strengthen your hair, to add shine and moisture, that's what your deep conditioner should be doing. See that up in there? Like, when I tell you the density is real. Look, it's like a whole army of uncoated strands. I miss my hair looking like this. All right, ladies, so you saw it. I'm actually done with everything. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of water and wet my hair, especially wet the tops, just so it gets really, really nice and saturated in my hair. That's really important. It's important that I handle these roots, because these roots have been crazy. I'm loving my hair looking like this. I miss my hair being like this. I don't know why I haven't done a twist out in so long, but that's going to be my next video. I got some new products that I want you guys to see. Twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes coming soon, but I needed to do this treatment. So we're going to see how this deep conditioner works on my hair. This $10 product, they got about 12, it feels like 12 ounces. 12 ounces, which is about standard for a conditioner that sits on the Target shelf. So I hope that it works out. So I hope we found an affordable deep conditioner that you can find at your local Target. So stay tuned to see how it works. So I left this in for about 6 hours. 6 hours, so that's basically a whole night to me. Now I'm gonna rinse this out and see if this deep conditioner is all the hype. See if it's really gonna help my hair, because it has been dry for a very long time. It's super late. I'm not trying to wake anybody up, but I need to go to bed and check out how this deep conditioner is working. So stay tuned. Ooh, yes. Oh. Look, this is looking good. This looks really good. This dried up, so that's why it feels, that's why it's like that. But honey, this looks amazing. Look at me. Okay. So ladies, that's it. What do you think about this deep conditioner? I have a lot that I can say, but I want to talk about it in the comment section with my subbies. So don't forget to subscribe, rate this conditioner, and rate this video. Thank you so much for watching, ladies. God bless. Bye.